Today we will learn about the PDF. What is a PDF? Is a probability density function, right? Probability density function, and it is used for continuous random variable. It is used for continuously random variable, right? And let's understand about that. On ahead, how to calculate the probability density functions, right? Here let's consider the age. So this is a, let's consider this the age with something is a data point is continuous, right? For a continuous random variable. Okay, so we are talking about that concept, and basically it's area under the curve. We are talking about okay. We have some data points, like, right? This is a okay. Let's consider the data point. It's a 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's consider this is the age. Okay, and we are draw to 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. One, 5, right? This we have a graph, and this graph is look like is a something that is a mean value. Okay, and is a probability of this is a 0.5. so we will talk about that segment. So if we are calculate the probability of density, then we are cover whole this graph, and we calculate that whole that segment. It means we are for the probability of density, we are calculating the probability of density. It means we will cover this that whole area. It means is a area under the curve, right? Okay, and same we are talking about the CDF for that. So is just for density functions. This for a density function 40 nothing but 0.5 is it for a density function. A graph look like the S curve. Sorry, something that's not good, something like that, right? This is for a CDF, and this graph for a CDF, cumulative probability function, right? And we are considering let's consider this graph and calculate the CDF for that. So for that we see, and on that position, if you calculate the slope, this slope is a very steep and very sharp, right? So this slope is at that point this slope is a you said too high or too much more than good, right? So we calculating this slope. Let's consider this 0.5, and let's consider this 0.65, right? Okay, 35, and this point for 45. Okay, we are calculating the slope of the in between. So how we calculate that slope for that? So what is the formula for slope? Okay, so for calculating the slope is nothing but slope is equal to 0.659 minus, okay, let's will remove that, right, and calculate the slope. Slope is nothing but 0.65 minus 0.55, sorry, 45 divided by 45 minus 35 is nothing but 0.03. This is slope for that line. So how to calculate the slope? What is slope formula for if you calculate the slope for 2 points? So what is the formula? Is nothing but for slope x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1. This is the formula for slope. This is formula for slope. Slope between 2 points. Slope between 2 points, right? And nothing but you see the CDF graph is nothing but this is a 2 point, and calculate the slope between the 2 point. This is a for a slope. Okay, it's a PDF file done, and we will in the next video.